Nginx, a free open source software for web servers, which can handle hundreds of thousands of concurrent connections. It is one of the most popular web server on the planet, with more than 350 million websites running on Nginx. Hello guys, today we will learn about how to set up and install Nginx server. So let's get started. First, open up your terminal and let's first update the software repositories. Type in sudo apt-get update. Type in your password and wait for it to finish the process. Now let's install the Nginx. Type in sudo apt-get install Nginx. Next, let's verify that installation was successful. Type in nginx-v. Next, let's check the status of Nginx server. And here we see that our server is active. Now let's allow Nginx traffic to pass through the system firewall. First, let's check what profiles are available for Nginx. Type in sudo ufw app list, and here we see the list of applications. Here I am choosing Nginx full to allow both HTTP and HTTPS requests. Now let's test the connection. Open up your browser and type in http and 127.0.0.1, and the system should display the Nginx welcome page. Now this page is already pre-configured by default. Now if you want to configure your own server block, so here how you can do it. So first let's create a directory. Type in sudo mkdir -p, and it should be in the var /www location, and create a directory name like for example myexample.com/html. Next, let's configure the ownership and permission. Type in sudo chown -r user and path of the directory. And next do sudo chmod -r 755 and path of the directory again. Next, let's create the index.html file for the server block. Paste this simple HTML code here. I will provide all the codes in the description. So let's save the file and exit. Next, let's configure the server block. Type in sudo nano etc nginx site available and name of your website. Paste the following code here, save it and exit. Next, let's create the symlink so that it can read on startup. Type in sudo ln -s etc nginx site available and your website name space etc nginx sites enabled and hit enter. Now let's restart the Nginx server. Type in sudo systemctl restart Nginx. Next, let's test out the configuration. Type in sudo nginx -t, and here it shows that the configuration was okay. Next, let's modify the host file. First, let's check the system IP address. Type in hostname -i. Next, let's edit the host. Type in sudo nano etc/hosts And now type in your IP address and name of your website like this. Now save and exit. Next, open up the browser and type in your website name. And here you see that our website is up and running. Now if you want to stop the server, you can simply type in sudo systemctl stop nginx, and now you can check the status. Type in sudo systemctl status nginx, and here you see that it is inactive. So that's all from this video, guys. If you have any questions, please write in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.